ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸೇವಾ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವ ನೇರ ನೇಮಕಾತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸಿರುವ ಗರಿಷ್ಠ ವಯೋಮಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿಯ ಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ಸಡಿಲಿಸುವ ಕುರಿತು. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Friends, there is a good news. The protest which was done by the aspirants in Dharwad is now getting a very good response and action has been taken by the government. We hope you watched our previous video. There we told about the protest and the statement which was made by our education minister. So now here is the action taken by the government and this is a good news for all aspirants. Friends, the government of Karnataka has issued a new order to relax the maximum age limit for direct recruitment in state civil posts. Actually, earlier the relaxation was up till 2 years, but after the appeals from all the aspirants over the state and organizations and also the recent protests in Dharwad, government has now decided to increase it to 3 years. So this order clearly says that a one-time age relaxation of 3 years is given to all categories of candidates, and this age relaxation limit of 3 years will be applying to all recruitment notifications issued up till 31st December 2027. Okay, so the earlier order which was of 2 years was given on 6th September 2025. Now it has been cancelled and yesterday only 29th September this order has been reissued and the age limit has been replaced up till 3 years now. Okay, now what does this mean? See, for example, in the general category, if the maximum age was 35 years, with this order now that maximum age becomes 38 years. Okay, but this benefit is available only once. You can use this benefit only for one recruitment, only once it will be allowed. Okay, so friends, this is a big relief for lakhs of aspirants across the state. I know that many of the aspirants were worried that the age limit is going to cross without even getting a chance because there are no recruitments, at least for this field of teacher recruitment. After COVID, only GPSTR has been called for in 2022. After that, no recruitments at all, right? So many aspirants are preparing from long time and were getting scared that the age limit will be crossed and they will not get a chance to write the recruitment exam. But now there is little bit of relief that 3 years has been extended. But there are also talks going on to be extended till 5 years, because in the protest the demand of the aspirants was to be extended for 5 years of age limit. Now let us see if they will consider and increase it more, but as of now 3 years though is done only. Okay, now we cannot say that this is a completely good news because there are some benefits also and there are some disadvantages also of this decision of the government. See, from aspirants point of view, I am telling you what are the benefits. Means this age relaxation limit which is increased now will give fresh hope to aspirants who had almost crossed the age limit. There will be many more candidates who can apply. Especially this is a good news for those aspirants who are preparing for years and did not get a chance. So those aspirants will get a fair chance to write the exam and fulfill their dream. But there are some disadvantages from new aspirants point of view. I mean to say the young aspirants who are fresh aspirants who have just completed their B.Ed or just qualified TET. See, for such aspirants there will be more competition because older aspirants will also be there in the competition now who have been preparing since years, and they deservingly should get the job because they have more knowledge now, they are more capable and they will surely crack the exam because they are preparing from years. So at this point of time, what should young candidates do? Young candidates should also work hard. They should double or triple their hard work because there will be very high competition. Okay, and there is another disadvantage that they have given this age relaxation benefit only for once. Only once the candidate can use this benefit. So this is not going to solve the permanent issue because we don't know about the government jobs recruitments, right? So we can say that this is just a temporary relief. So friends, this breaking news itself should be giving you a lot of motivation and inspiration now, because see, nature is also coming together to fulfill your dreams. Even the age relaxation limit is done now. So who is going to stop you from working hard and write the exam and fulfill your dream? So please, who all have stopped preparing, start right now, and who all have not started, see, for you though it is a case where you have to run faster now, because there are many experienced candidates with whom you will be competing in the CET exams now. Okay, whatever your aim is, either it is TET, HSTR, GPSTR or CRIS or any other teacher recruitment exam, the competition is high. So keep this in mind and just double or triple your preparation efforts. Okay, thank you, all the best, bye.